On the morning of June 13, 2022, Yellowstone National Park and surrounding areas experienced a 500-year flood event. The flood destroyed several sections of the north entrance road within the park between Mammoth Hot Springs, Wyoming, and Gardner, Montana. Federal Highway Administration and National Park Service teams immediately began assessing the damage and making a plan to restore access. The old Gardner Road, now the current North Entrance Road, was identified as a temporary solution, but it required major improvements before it could be opened to the public. Constructed in 1879, the old Gardner Road was the original entrance road to Yellowstone until it was replaced in 1884. This temporary solution opened to the public on October 30, 2022, only 4 months after the flood.